Hello, hello, hello everyone. Good morning. Happy Saturday po sa ating lahat. This is your AI acronym individual. So, our word for today is beauty. So, bago yon, meron muna po akong quotation. I'm sure familiar po kayo dito sa beauty is useless but character is the best. Okay? Ibig sabihin po nun, aanhin mo yung gandang pisikal kung ang ugali mo naman ay, hindi maganda. So, napaka-importante ng character sa atin buhay. So, beauty, what is meant for me? Best version. You have to show the best version of yourself. Manaig ang kabutihan sa iyong puso. And then, energize yourself. Yan. Palagi po nating palakasin ang ating sarili. We have to maintain health kasi nga po, health is wealth. So, kung ano yung, it's just a matter of discipline kung ano lang yung makakabuti sa ating kalusugan. So, syempre, you have to avoid smoking, avoid drinking, avoid different kinds of vices. Hanggat maaari, hanggat kaya po natin. Especially smoking. Napakasama po niya sa ating katawan. And then, appreciate your personality. So, nanood po ako ng movie sa Netflix, yung Wonders. Yung bata doon is hindi maganda yung kanyang physical features pero siya ay napakatalino. Siya ay scientist. So, para lang po makapasok siya, naglalagay po siya ng helmet. Tinatakpan niya yung mukha niya. Pero he became the best version of himself at na-appreciate niya yung kung anong merong siyang talents. And then we have you unfold your strengths. Meron po tayong pinapossess na mga different talents. God gave us different talents. So there are 10 multiple intelligences. So isa doon meron tayo, or yung iba nga multiple intelligences. May iba, they are good in linguistic, in numerical, in numbers. So, hindi pwedeng wala po tayong talents. So, try to develop your talent, yung T. Try to develop it. Once na nakita mo nang you know how to sing, then try to develop that singing talents of yours. Sa dancing, ganun din. And then, yung last po is why yield success. Kapag po nakita mo na yung strength na yan, yields, you will achieve success. Actually, success naman po is how you overcome the trials and obstacles in your life and you will be the best version of yourself. Yun lamang po, magandang buhay, mabuting tao. God bless us all. This is your AI again. Thank you sa mga nagsasubscribe sa aking 128 subscription. Thank you so much po at keep on subscribing at pakipindot po yung notification bell. God bless us all and happy Saturday. Don't forget to hear us tomorrow.